Good morning, everybody. It's a pleasure to talk to you today. When I was young, about 8 years old, I had the chance with my parents to do circumnavigation around the world. And during these 3-4 years, beginning of the 80s, I could see all the sea, all the planet. And I can tell you the planet was completely, the ocean was completely clear, no plastic at all, no pollution. And after this trip around the world in 2014, I did a circumnavigation again, the same program. And I sailed along Sri Lanka, Indonesia, Maldives Island, as you know. It was a dream before, but when I come back, I could see all this pollution, and it was a disaster. I really fight with the plastic during 2 months. All the plastic in between the dagger boards and between the rudder of my boat, so I had to stop the boat many times to pick up this plastic. When I come back from this trip, we decided to launch the association The Sea Cleaner. This association exists now to think about which way we can think about to protect the ocean. And for sure, the priority for us is to educate, to have awareness for the population, to make sure in the future this plastic doesn't go anymore in the ocean. But for the next 50 years, unfortunately, we need also to collect this plastic on the ocean because 8 million tons of plastic go everywhere in the ocean. I let you to discover the movie, if you can launch it. Yes, thank you.
Aujourd'hui, utiliser l'énergie renouvelable et être en mesure de ramasser, de récolter tous ces produits que nous relâchons dans les océans me fascine parce que votre projet est quelque chose qui, à mon avis, va marcher très très bien.
If you remember, Cousteau was the first guy 35 years ago to put the alarm and to say we have to do something. Actually now, we are in 2019 and we didn't do anything yet. So we have to push now very quickly to make sure we can go quickly to resolve a little bit of this problem. Our mission for sure is to try to clean this ocean. But first, the idea is to make sure in 50 years, we don't need anymore these boats to collect the plastic. So for sure, we need to go in these countries to make sure we can do some education, some awareness, to make sure the future will change. And with Sea Cleaner, we decide really to go in about 30 countries, in Bangladesh, Indonesia, some countries in Africa, to make sure we can educate the population. In Europe, we progress, we are better and better every year, but the problem is not here for the ocean. The problem comes from these new countries in Asia and Southeast Asia. The ocean, as you know, it's about 50% of the oxygen we need in this world. The last report from GIEC showed that very clearly. A third of the carbon is absorbed by the ocean. So for sure, we will need completely to protect this ocean for the future. As I said before, 8 million tons go everywhere every year in the ocean. But unfortunately, 99% of this plastic will sink one day. So the idea of the sea cleaner is really to catch the plastic at the beginning, for the first weeks, for the first month, when the plastic go in the ocean. So we decide to go outside of the river. You have like 20 rivers in the world who push away about 65% of the plastic. So if we go at the right place, like in Mekong, Yangtze, Fleuve Jaune, you will be in the good place to catch the maximum of this part of the plastic. Alors, as you can see on this map, it's not really the Europe the problem, it's really the south. And this boat, because we think about maybe 300 boats like this, the good point of this boat, it's you move. The pollution is not always at the same time, at the same place. Like the last year, you have in Indonesia, you remember you have a tsunami, tsunami. When the tsunami comes, for sure, bring all the plastic with the sea. And if you can go in this place at the right place with 2, 3, 5 boats and walk for 1 month, for sure you will fill the boat very quickly. Alors, what is this boat? You discover a little bit in the video. This boat is a revolutionary boat because we find really the good solution to make sure we don't use fossil energy to collect the plastic. If you build a boat, it's not to have more pollution. And for the first time in the world, this boat will not use fossil energy. We will use solar panels. We will use the wind with the regular rig. We will use the hydro generator. And the good point of this project is at the beginning we say, okay, we will bring back the plastic to the land to make sure we will recycling it. But in fact, when you inspect really clearly the plastic, you cannot really make recycling it because it's not degraded by the UV, by the waves. And so the best idea is really to make sure with the boat we can really take care of this plastic. So we put inside the boat pyrolysis. It's a waste-to-energy unit. And with this unit, you can make sure that you absorb 100% of the plastic you collect. So this boat, in fact, will never need to come back to the land because we have all the energy and we consume all the plastic we catch on the sea. With this boat, when you need for sure to stop once a month to change the crew, and each time you go in a land, you can do some education, you can show all the technology on board, because this pyrolysis, it's a good solution also for the village when you are in Indonesia. So you can bring the politic, the good people, the good decision people to explain what's happening in this boat, to explain the technology, to educate all the population. What's happening now for the sea cleaner? Sea cleaner, it's not a new now association. We find about 12 million euro of budget. We finish about 2/3 of the studies of this boat. So it's not, it's pushing hard. We already built a small boat to try, with a prototype, to try these conveyor belts we need to collect the plastic in the ocean in 2019. We continue the fundraising because we need like 35 million euro to start the first boat. And in 2020, we will choose the boat builder, the shipyard. This boat will be built in Europe. For sure, it's all engineering from France. So it's really a French project, but we will use all the construction, the good technology everywhere in Europe to make sure we can have a nice boat. And in 2021, we will start to build this boat to make sure it's ready in 2023. After we will make like 2 years sailing with this boat over the world. And the idea is really to show to the people what is the numbers. Normally, with this boat, you can collect a big number, a lot of tons of plastic, and we will be ready in 2025 to explain to the state, to all the town, the collectivity over the world, to say, okay, now we have really the cargo, the ship for like a waste truck. We are ready to work on this world. So now it will be good to have like 300 boats ready to sell over the world and to collect the plastic. Voilà. My team is available for sure to discuss with you. David is with me here. He's the marketing director. And for sure, as you know, an association has a tax benefit. In France, it's about 60%. And we have a really a story to count. We will involve everybody in this project. We have already a few thousand of donors, few dozen of partnership sponsors. So I hope to discuss with you with this project soon. Thank you very much.